Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making puff puff. I'll be showing you how I made this yummy onions and pepper puff puff. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this amazing family. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, let's start making our puff puff. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. So guys, let's get started. And guys, here is my bowl. So I'll be measuring 2 cups of flour inside this bowl. And then I'll be going in with my sugar. I'm going to be leaving the ingredients and the measurement I used in the description box, so please check it out, okay? And then I'll be adding in my nutmeg. I'll go in now with a pinch of salt. So guys, because we are making spicy puff puff, I'll be adding in my pepper and onions. And then I'm going to mix everything together. I'll be going in now with my yeast. And then I'll mix everything together. I'm going to properly mix it. And then I'll be going in with my warm milk. I will mix. Because my liquid is not enough, I'll be adding in more water to this, but I'll be going in with my water bit by bit. So guys, I'll be going in with my hands now. Make sure that your hands are neat, okay? And this is where it gets messy and interesting too. So guys, here is my dough after mixing everything. I'm going to cover it now and keep it in a one place. Okay, cover and keep in a one place to rest for at least 30 minutes. And here we have it, 30 minutes later our dough has doubled in size. So I'll just go in with my hands now to release some air, and then I'll heat up my oil for frying. And here in my hot oil I'm going to be adding in my onions just for flavor. Then I'll start scooping in my puff puff batter. So guys, I'm going to be frying this on both sides until it turns golden brown. I'm frying this on low to medium heat. You don't want to fry on low heat so that your puff puff will not soak in much oil, and you don't want to fry it on high heat so that your puff puff will not get burnt on the outside and it will not be cooked in the inside. So just fry it on medium heat, okay? And here we have it, our yummy puff puff. This one is ready now. I'm just going to take it out. You see how beautiful and yummy the puff puff is looking like. So guys, we are going to be scooping in the remaining of our puff puff batter. Just going to repeat the process of frying this puff puff, okay? So guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, okay? And If you have not liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section. Also share my video, please share my video, okay? So now our puff puff is ready. I'm going to take it out now. And guys, this is what we have. Our yummy pepper and onions puff puff is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not subscribed, okay? And don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section. Also share my video, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.